I guess they never miss, huh? Got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss yet. Okay. What do you mean, ew? Okay, guys, Thanksgiving 2K18. Look at the spread. Ooh. What? Did you just say
no, you got it. What?
We got some nice fruit here. Look at this. We got some nice
While you're out there, bring
greens here. We got some nice chocolate cake here. We got some nice. Oh, excuse me. We got some nice pepper sauce here, made of habanero peppers. We got some nice chocolate cake. Did I say that? Mac and cheese, turkey with stuffing, some nice succulent ham. Yum. I think this is gravy. Stuffing, yay, and more wine. Moscato d'Asti. Yeah.
I have my wine downstairs.
Stella Rosa.
Because your wine is so cold.
Have some nice candles here.
Yeah.
Completely 100% real. Overall, this spread this year is just looking so yummy. I can't wait to dig in. There are some other treats that are not at the table right now. Oh yeah, the chandeliers.
Just take a wide shot and we'll get
Smile.
Okay, so we have some nice chandeliers, not for eating, of course, but you know.
For eating.
Okay.
No, take pictures of everyone.
Yeah.
Take pictures of the guy.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mommy. Yeah, so this is a full shot of the dining room. Ooh, is this alcohol? Okay, no. Ginger ale, water, pie, eggnog. Ew, eggnog is disgusting. And anyone who thinks otherwise, no, just kidding. Yeah, this is the spread right now. And in the kitchen, yeah.
you should go take that one. Forget about the kitchen.
What are you? Okay, here's some extra mac and cheese, some rest of the pepper and stuff. Yeah. Wait, what? What? Oh, impromptu house tour, guys. Okay. Here's the family room. Here's some pictures. Oh, my mom wants to stay anonymous, so.
That's okay. Those ones are nice.
Okay, here's my mommy and my sister Zena, and she was a little baby. She was a baby. Here's me when I was like 10. Yeah. Here's Zena again. Here's the whole family. Well, almost the whole family. Some of the kids weren't born yet. Here's me when I was little. I was like 7. And with my mom. Oh, 4. 4, I'm sorry. Here's my sister. My other sister. Here is me when I was a baby. I remember the day this picture was taken. And I still remember this hat. Okay, here's my sister again with my mom. Here's my brother and my mom. Here is my mom and my dad. So beautiful, such a beautiful couple.
This one is you and your mom in Jamaica.
Oh, this is me and my mom when we went to Jamaica. Look how precious I was. Okay, similar picture again. Ooh. Here's me when I was a boy. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. Half purple. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, more pictures. My brother. Another one of my parents. Look how happy they are. Goals, guys. This is what you need to strive to be. Honestly. That right there is peak performance. Here is my little brother when he was a baby. Look at him. More family pictures. Look how done I look. Okay. Here are, when my sister was a baby. When my other sister was a baby.
You're not saying the names of your sisters.
Dingus 1,
Emeka,
Dingus
Zena.
2.
Emeka,
Okay. Dingus 1, Dingus 2. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I'm not gonna delete this.
Okay. Okay, here's the entrance.
And this is Dingus.
Okay. Can you shut up? So here, you can get the experience of coming into my home. Walk through the entrance.
Oh, make sure you call this. Have you?
Living room is right here. No one really comes into here, to be honest. It's just for show. No one comes in here. Upstairs, I'm not going there. Here's a statue. Fun fact, this statue is like the 3rd generation of this statue. This statue has been broken 2 times by guests. Like literally, the same boy came to this house and broke this statue twice. So my dad kept having to get a new one. So yeah, it just kept getting better each time though. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Oh, no.
My wine is not open.
Emeka, say hi. Wait, you're not. Hello. Say hi.
That's too close.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye.
No.
Okay. Yeah, that's the end of my house tour. I'm not gonna show my face because.
Are you actually gonna put it up there?
Okay, here's outside of the house. Here's the garden. Everything's kind of dead right now because it's winter, but yeah. Yummy. Oh, it's cold. Let me go back in. I'm sorry.
Your neighborhood.
It's cold. I'm not opening that door.
These are my neighbors.
These are my neighbors. Here's crazy 1, crazy 2, crazy 3. All of them are freaking insane, guys. I feel like I'm gonna get like attacked just poking my head out my front door. I'm scared. Okay, let me go back into safety. Oh, look at this. When I was younger, I would kiss this statue. No, actually, I did. Oh, here's more of my parents. Oh, it's fuzzy. Oh my god. It's not focusing. What is it doing? Okay, well, yeah, here's my dad. He was in the army. Here's my mom. My mom is just so...
Oh my god.